Have you driven this yet?
No.
No?
No. Maybe next week.
Do you want to?
I do want to. It's very pretty.
I'll put a delivery in and I'll request you as a driver.
All right. I'll make ruts in your lawn and you're never going to get out. So this is our newest billboard that also acts as a dump truck, and it can fit about 20 tons of aggregate, and we'll deliver all over the island for you.
Yeah, there ain't no pickleball court around here.
I'll play it tonight.
20 tons of aggregate, that's like equivalent to like, I don't know, maybe like 500 me's in there.
And probably like 800 me's.
800 me.